A day in the life of a math student. An opening 0 power 20 visuals. Montage of books, laptop, coffee, and lecture halls. Narration, voiceover. Ever wondered what it's like to be a math student? From early mornings filled with equations to late-night problem solving. Here's what a typical day in my life looks like. On-screen text. A day in the life of a math student. Morning routine. 0, 20, 1:30. Visuals. Alarm clock. Student waking up, making coffee, getting ready, backpack with notebooks. Dialogue voiceover. I usually start my day around 7:30. First thing, coffee. A math student can't survive without caffeine. Then I check my planner. Today I've got a lecture on linear algebra, a tutorial in calculus, and some independent study. First lecture, 1:30, 2:30. Visuals. Student walking to university, entering lecture hall, professor writing equations on board. Narration. My first class is linear algebra at 9 a.m. Today we're learning about eigenvalues and eigenvectors. It's a lot to take in, but I actually enjoy seeing how abstract concepts connect to real-world applications. On-screen text overlay, linear algebra, eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Study session, 2:30, 3:30. Visuals, student in library, scribbling in notebook, typing on laptop. Narration. After lectures, I usually spend some time in the library. Maths is all about practice, so I work through problem sets until things start to click. Sometimes it takes a while. Cutaway visuals, eraser marks, frustrated face, then aha moment. Narration, compteur. But there's nothing better than solving a problem you've been stuck on. Lunch break. 3:30, 4 hour. Visuals. Student eating with friends, chatting. Dialogue, live audio. Friend. So, how's the maths going? Student. Laughs. Let's just say, numbers are winning today. Tutorial. Problem class, 4 hour, 5 hour. Visuals. Smaller classroom, students solving problems on whiteboard. Narration. In tutorials, we work in small groups. It's a chance to ask questions and see different ways of thinking. Maths isn't just about solitary study. Collaboration helps a lot. Afternoon research work. 5 years, 6 years. Visuals. Student with laptop, reading research papers or coding. Python, MATLAB. Narration. In the afternoons, I often do some project work. Right now, I'm exploring how mathematical models can describe population growth. It's amazing how pure theory turns into practical applications. Evening routine, 6 mar, 8 0. Visuals, back at dorm flat, cooking dinner, relaxing, maybe playing games or going for a walk. Narration. After a full day of numbers, I take some time to unwind. Balance is important. Otherwise, equations would keep me up all night. First night study, 8 hours, 10 hours. Visuals, desk lamp, student revising notes, calculator, paper scattered. Narration. Before bed, I usually do a final review just to make sure I'm ready for tomorrow. Maths can be tough, but it's also incredibly rewarding. A closing 10 wires, 10:30. Visuals, fade out of student closing notebook, turning off light. Narration. And that's a day in the life of a math student. Thanks for joining me. Now back to solving problems. On-screen text. Like, comment, and subscribe.